2001 Honda Odyssey, crank, no start. Notice the green light here in the indicator. If it's flashing like that, that's the immobilizer telling you you have the wrong key. This could be a bad key, the wrong key, or a problem with the immobilizer, or possibly a reprogramming of a key. When you first turn your key on, the green light comes on and then starts to flash. When you turn the key off, the light goes off immediately. The way it's supposed to work. When you first turn the key on, the green light comes on and then it goes off. That means you have the right key and the vehicle will start. When you shut it off, you'll see the light will flash 5 times, then go off. That's the proper way. Bad key, problem with the immobilizer, wrong key, etc.